Let's see the problem, student. What the problem here you can find, making the chemical equation more informative. How can you make any chemical reaction more informative, student? So first point, the physical state of the substance may be indicated by adding the following symbol: brackets for the bracket S for the solid, bracket L for the liquid, bracket G for the gas, AQ for the aqueous solution. Second, gaseous product may be represented by arrow upward. Precipitate product may be represented by the arrow downward. For dilute solution of a substance, symbol DIL is used. For concentrated solution, symbol CONE is used. Heat evolved in the reaction may be shown by adding a heat positive or plus delta along with the product. Heat absorbed uh, by shown heat absorbed be shown by the adding plus heat or plus delta along with the reactant. So evolve means with the product we have to write, and absorb means with the reactant. Condition of the temperature, pressure, catalyst may be represented on the arrow. So this is all about the making the chemical reaction more informative, student. Thank you.